Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I have for you a day in my life. I have a couple things to do around the apartment. Basically same old. I have to organize, clean, and also I want to declutter my makeup. I have to fold laundry, plan for the month, and just stay more organized with work. So it's going to be quite the busy day filled with random things, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. And I also have an exciting meal to show you guys later on. It's a meal subscription from Freshly. Today's video is sponsored by them, and I cannot wait to show you guys because it's truly been a lifesaver for me, especially on days like today where I have so many things going on. So let's get started. By the way, I ended up getting this tripod, as you can tell. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's basically an iPhone tripod, but this is like so much better. I don't have to touch the camera anymore. I have to say though, the building right across from me, it's almost done being built. So like they're just doing the last finishing touches in the kitchen and stuff. And the construction men are just looking at me every single day. And I've been filming TikToks in here. You know, it's just been quite entertaining for them, I feel. But yeah, I'm going to start off by folding the laundry on the couch because it's just in the way. And I almost forgot, I'm going to be repotting plants today. It's definitely on my to-do list. I've been meaning to do this for almost a month now. My plants truly need it, especially the ones that are like propagating. All right, so I ended up folding some laundry, filling up my calendar for the month, and cleaning the office a little bit. I also uploaded some files to my computer to edit in a little bit, but I am going to make something to eat now, which I am starving. It's such a gloomy day today, and like all I want to do is just sit on the couch, watch a movie, and stay there. Before I start making my food, I'm going to clean the countertops because it's a mess. By the way, let this be your reminder to buy yourself some flowers this week. I am obsessed with these tulips. So cute. If you guys know me, you know that I struggle eating 3 times a day, especially lunch. I personally always have a really good breakfast and a really nice dinner, but I tend to forget to have lunch because work gets in the way, or whatever I'm doing during the day gets in the way. And I'm the type of person that I'd rather get my work done and then eat so I can eat at peace, which leads me to not eating because it's so time consuming for me, especially having to think of a meal every single day and preparing it and having it to be healthy, because obviously we can just go ahead and get some unhealthy meals and take out, which ends up being not so good for us. So I ended up finding the answers to my prayers. This is probably the best partnership I have ever done, and I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Freshly. I have been trying out their meals for a while now, like for a couple weeks now, and I am so obsessed. So I actually have a couple meals here to share with you guys, the ones that I picked out for the week. But a little bit more about Freshly. They are a weekly subscription that delivers fresh cooked meals by a chef, and they all taste delicious. These are ready to eat type of meals. They're not frozen. You basically just put them in your fridge, and when you're ready to eat them, you just heat it up for 3 minutes and it tastes like someone made it for you right there and then. They offer a rotating weekly menu with over 40 meals, and you can choose 4, 6, 10, or 12 meals per week. And they all individually are $8.49, which is insane and so much cheaper than takeout, which realistically speaking, if you get Freshly, it is 30 to 40% cheaper than takeout and quicker, because obviously with takeout it would take like an hour to get here. and you know, there's just not that many healthy options out there. But with all of that being said, let me show you guys the meals that I ended up getting. They're all made with thoughtful ingredients and perfect portions, and also neutral dense whole foods. So this one, for example, is the Freshly Fit. Overall, I personally also love the flavor. I'm really picky when it comes to takeout meals, and these all taste delicious. So here are some of my favorites for the week. I ended up getting the ginger chicken stir fry, the beef lasagna. This is amazing. This one is definitely one of my top favorites. It's the cauliflower shell beef, savory sweet chicken teriyaki bowl. We also have the citrus kissed orange chicken with rice. And then I also got the homemade chicken with mac and cheese. So yeah, I think today I'm going to go with the lasagna because it looks really delicious and filling. And you basically just heat this up for 3 minutes and it's ready to eat. So let's do it. And just like that, in 3 minutes, I have myself a chef-made meal, which looks delicious. I can't wait to eat this. I have a side of coconut water to go along with it, but I'm going to sit down now and eat this. I do want to mention that they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you use Nathalie40, you will get $40 off your first 2 weeks, which is an amazing deal. I will be listing the link down below as well as the discount code, but let's enjoy this now. And just like that, I'm done. I mean, do I love it or do I love it? Or jokes aside, you guys, 10 out of 10, recommend. All right, so I honestly don't know what to do next, but I think I'm going to repot my plants because they've been begging me to repot them. I swear, I swear.
You like an animal without me, you're not like everyone. That's why I choose you.
All right, so I'm going to just quickly show you guys the plants that I'm going to be repotting and with what. I am going to be repotting these that I propagated, which I've shared on my Instagram. Ooh, as you can tell, this has grown so much. And I'm also going to be repotting this one. Did I say propagate? I'm not repotting. This propagation I'm going to repot as well, which this is like so old. This one I'm going to be repotting because it's showing some like growth in the bottom, and you know, basically it's outgrowing the pot. Same with the ones in the back. I also have these cilantro, and I think this is basil. I got this coconut thing right here, fibra de coco, potting mix, which I need to get more of. And then these I got from Amazon. Hopefully they all fit in here, even though I think they're not going to fit in here, but we shall see. Am I right? We shall see. Also, it is fertilizing season. Spring and summer is coming, so I ended up getting this, which you basically mix it with your soil and it's supposed to make your plants grow. So I will be linking everything down below for you guys. Oh, I also have this back here. Sorry, this right here. And yeah, so let's get to repotting.
You're the one who can make me happy. You know you in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the team, it's in the better than like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the team, it's in the better than
All right, so I finished repotting the plants. I still need to water this one and that one, but every other one is repotted. I'm going to show you how they look now. I put this one right next to one of my golden pothos because it's basically family, you know? They're just like a different variation. Then I put the ones that I repotted up here again. I need to clean the pots. Like I mentioned, I have to water that one. And let's see, my fiddle leaf fig, I have bad news. She's been dying on me ever since I got it. As you can tell, well, maybe you can't tell, but these leaves are a lot lighter. I don't know. I really want to love this plant because it's like my dream plant, but she just doesn't love me back. So, you know, this is my second fiddle leaf fig, and by the looks of it, she's kind of not doing too well. I did repot her, not today, like a different day, and I feel like she looks a little bit better than she did because honestly, she was like actually dying. She lost like 5 different leaves from down here. I have my basil, and then I have cilantro growing right there. And then, what else? Oh, I repotted this one. I need to move these around. I also repotted that one and that one. And this one and this one. I think I have packages downstairs, so I'm going to go down and see what I got, and then I'm also going to be working on some crochet projects. It is pouring down today. Alright, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. I'm actually going to start getting ready to head to my mom. We're going to visit her tonight. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check Freshly and also take advantage of the discount code. Use Nathalie40 for $40 off your first 2 weeks of meals. Make sure to check the links down below, and until next time, bye!